This simple egg fry takes only 15 minutes. It's not just easy and satisfying but also diabetic friendly too. Just roughly chop tomatoes and sauté them with garlic and green onion. Add a little spice, some sauce, then scrambled egg. And that's it. Ta-da! It's ready! And a perfect meal for a busy evening. Let's make it.